Time for Emery platform. Let's see how it even looks like. Because maybe there is not that much to do. We'll see about that. Second. Do I have it? Yep, you should hear me. I think so. Alright, bigger screen, more pixels. And yeah, this is wrong. Okay, the dithering pattern here is applied, and we can see the hour in the corner because the logic checks if there's an overlay. It's a bit broken in that scenario. I guess the overlay value, the value is negative. Let's check that. I'm actually curious on hour. What's happening? Correct overlap, not overlay, overlap value. I'm pretty sure it's negative. No, it would, if it was negative. Yeah, I think it is. No, it's not. Yeah, I think it is. It's negative, it will still go here. It's not 0, and we'll still go here, so we have both shadow. Let's just check it. Local level. Level up. And we're gonna spend most of the time in PDC editor anyway. Let's see. Brutal resource digits. But we have to save it as file that's for Emery platform. Yeah, it's negative 6. It's minus 16. Okay, where is? Let's go to a documentation. Okay, so those numbers here are for every other platform. We need the same thing but bigger. There is app as assets. No. Platform specific resources. All right. There is a way to define file, and that is used only when there's color display, when there is a round display, and so on. But I would have, I would like to have. Oh yeah, so that's how we do it. So we'll do it based on size. Let's check it. So I will use this as a tag. I think that's how they call it, tags. Yeah, tag. So a tilde and and the value. So I will use that to determine if we using a bigger screen. And to see if the font was loaded, what time is it? I will modify, let's modify 1. I will modify 1 by moving it down significantly. So that's here. So we move that to resources. Now when we build, should see different digit 1. it worked. All right. So we know now how I can remove those back files. We know now how to have digits for every other platform, and that's for Emery. But now we have to make those digits bigger, and to make them bigger, I will need a template to see if I'm even doing that. If my resizing is correct, if it's pixel perfect. I don't have a bitmap version of Emery digits. I could use those, but I don't have all digits here. So what I will do is I will grab the original image with glyphs. That's the original bitmap, and somewhere in here I said how many times, how big it had to be, how many times I have to scale it up to get the size of Emery digits. 7 times. All right, so originally it was 5 times bigger. That has to be 7 times. So image, scale image, percentage, that, and no interpolation. Okay, now it's the proper scale. Let's check that. I will copy this image with opacity, put it over number 2. Okay, looks good. So that's my template. Now I can draw. What's the size? What's the view box size here? 84 by 98. Okay. 84 by 98. All right. Let's start with 0. Okay. Yeah, there's no easy way to do it. I just have to move everything by hand. Okay, but that's not enough. The angles are not correct either. And the hole inside is too big. I have really no reference of how that should be. So let's compare. Let's compare and see. Okay, the outline overall, it's good. Let's see how many times I have to move the middle part. 8, that's 8. Okay, 8. And how about corner? 4. So that would be 4 and 4, 4, 4. This goes 8. Okay, preview again. copy paste opacity and bingo. Okay, so it will be 8 and 4, those numbers. Okay, let's see number 1 now. So number 1, that's 4. That would be, I'm not sure. I think 4. I have to move this back. And 1 more. Okay, it's too small. It's too small. No. Too much. Okay. Looks good. All right. Number 2. Number 2. I guess it's 4, and then everything goes back. It's 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. That's not enough. Okay. That looks off. Yep, it's definitely wrong. Let's check it anyway. All right. I see 1, 2. Okay, it's not obvious. It's 2. 2. 2. 2. Still wrong. No. Okay, 3. Finally, I have something to reference from. So I can do this. And, okay. becomes like 0. How wide? 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks about right. Four. Okay, 1, 2. All right. 5. 5 can be referenced from 2. All right. 6. 6. Okay. Looks like 6. Okay, 7 now. What's with the 7? 7 is similar to 4. This is similar to 1. So it should be first try. Yep. 8. And this inside is probably wrong. Yeah, I don't know how far it should go. Let's just compare with the bitmap. Looks alright. This by accident. Yeah, by accident. By pure chance, it was alright. So the 9 is the last one. Let's do it from bottom up. No. That's 8. 9, please. Okay, looks correct. I can download the file, move it, and build it. Limits for side and bottom text should be correct, just thanks to the math, the equation that we did. But I'm not sure about the quick view. We'll have to check that. Right. Yep. That's unexpected. Maybe something happened to the emulator in the meantime. Okay, and it's wrong because our layers have a size based on those values. Okay, so first of all, margin is different in Emery. What is it? I think it's 7. Okay, so margin is still 5, but spacing is now bigger. Spacing is 7. How we do it? How we define different. Well, I think I'm just gonna do what I did in the original source code. This have a macro per platform. No, I know it's not the best idea, but might be the simplest at the moment, which makes it the best. So here for spacing, if Emery else, that should be 7 for Emery. Digits size is 98. It's 84. $98. Okay. What else? Those fonts are the same. The same. Okay, let's just see if that improved our situation. But it's still wrong. It's still wrong because we have constant. This one. So now, I guess we could actually use constants in here as a values. Yeah, let's try with that. So it's digit. Let me change. Okay, so for the 60, we replace with digit W. 30 is digit W. Half of the digits W. And 45 is that. No. Damn it. Huh. Not easy to get 45. Oh, actually it is. What I did. Dumb. dummy. So we do 84 times 35. That should be. All right, we're getting there. But something's not right here. Saw in a second ago, it was 19 here, and was not aligned properly. Why? That was kind of strange. It was not aligned to the left nor to the right. Huh. What was wrong there? Let's wait a few seconds. We'll see 21 here, and I think it will repeat. Yes. It's kind of in the middle. Huh. Do we have a mistake from Pebble around? Correct. Pebble around. Pebble right. No. Draw digits right. Wait a second. I guess the size of the number 1 is wrong. What it should be. What was it? It was 30, so it was half. It's not half in Emery. Width is 84, so it's not 42. Yes, it is 42. Huh. What can be wrong? Definitely this part. Unless this is wrong. What's the width? Digits width times 2 plus spacing. Looks okay to me. Yeah, let's wait a few more seconds. I can hard code the time, but let's wait a few seconds for 24. Ah, come on. Where you going? Maybe I should just hard code the time. Let's seem to. Oh, maybe it's happening here. Where's the buffer? Here it is. Oh my god. What now? Huh? It almost looks like something was not hidden. Oh, it definitely wasn't. It's just by pure chance we had a digit 9, and if 9 is at least once displayed on the screen, then going forward it's hidden. Okay, now it's alright, but let me check the actual thing. Let's do like so. I'll do 21 here. And in a minute I will do I will do 41. Huh. Very strange. It only happens for minutes. Minutes really act like they are on Pebble around. Yeah. If that, else, and if. Very strange. There is no shadow. It also can be because the width is incorrect. Okay, so here this seems to be working. Where's the size? Size is the same as ours. So not size. Let's go. Let's try a different number. Okay, that's wrong. Of course. Like, okay, that was never defined. Yeah, I knew it. It's acting like a pebble around. Let's restore all of that. Okay, now I will test a quick view, and then we can check text lines. All right, that looks correct. Quick view. All right, seems like I did a good job. And it just works. Let's try the spread operator. Like so. Okay, it works. It just works like it's supposed to. So it's only the pebble around that was problematic. Okay, seems to be working. All right. Let's see, what do we have here? Other resources. Package JSON. See? Right, so that's Emery, and there I'm missing only like few final touches before I can release a new version. So I will do that next recording. Yeah, we have to do a bit of cleanup in settings page because there are many more text options and weather stuff. So we have to provide documentation for user, and I want to change temperature to from string to integer. All right, that's next time.